So Randox is a diagnostics manufacturer based in the United Kingdom. We are a scientific organization with a very strong research and development background. We started the company in 1982, and today Randox has grown into 5 multiple verticals. We have our main clinical laboratory division, manufacturing, and then we have our toxicology division, majorly for forensic toxicology and clinical toxicology, our food diagnostics division. Then we have our molecular division, and in molecular division we test for different type of viral respiratory infections, sexually transmitted infections, and we do have an assay for COVID-19 also. And then we have our Randox Health in UK, back in UK, basically our own hospitals, clinics, and laboratories. So we are an international company. We supply our analyzers all around the world. More than 143 countries are using our solutions. We have a assay for testing COVID-19, as well as we have multiple analyzers for detecting COVID-19. So it's important to be here because MedLab is an international event where people, the customers, the users, as well as the distributors from different companies are coming and visiting. So we wanted to present what we have for the diagnostic industry. That's why it's very important for us. I would like to talk about our latest analyzer, Randox Discovery. We just launched a couple of months back. The few analyzers are installed already in UK and Ireland. So it is a fully automated molecular analyzer. So the challenge is, if you wanted to set up a molecular laboratory, it needs a bigger infrastructure, like you should have a separate room for extraction, the separate room for amplification, and separate room for detection. So now we have everything in one single module. So we have an analyzer which is capable of accepting 16 samples in one go, and extraction, amplification, and detection is happening within the same module. So it is very simple as an user. What you need to do is you just collect the sample. There is a cartridge, so you just scan the cartridge in front of the machine, pipette the sample into the cartridge, insert the cartridge into the machine. And as I mentioned, the extraction, amplification, and detection all happens inside the analyzer, and you get the results in 3.5 hour time. So we have another analyzer called Evidence Multistat, which is a fully automated rapid testing unit for toxicology. So this system is very unique, first in the world, like a point of care system for toxicology. You do not need a laboratory, or you do not need a laboratory technician to run the system. You can collect the sample anywhere, and you just put the sample into the cartridge and insert the cartridge into the machine, run it on the machine. The technology what we are using for the detection is our own biochip array technology. It is patented by Randox. And when it comes to toxicology, we have peculiar advantages because any competitor system on board today, they are majorly validated only for urine sample. However, when it comes to Randox, biochip is validated for urine, blood, saliva, hair, all biological samples. It is very important in forensic toxicology because it's very difficult to get a clean urine sample from a dead body. So when the autopsy is done, it is more easy to get the blood sample, the postmortem blood sample. And we can say we are the only one system what is available in the market today for screening drugs of abuse with all these various type of biological samples. Our system is capable of testing the most common classical as well as the most new generation drugs also. So this is one of the peculiar advantage of biochip array technology.